here, Herbie Plate. Hello, everybody. Welcome to Life and Love in the Philippines. I'm just checking out this Jeep, man. The Jeep truck. I like it. It's cool. Yeah, we're going in. Looking for some toolboxes or something along that order. Yeah, half of my blood anyway. $40 almost.
Yeah, college board.
They'll do even more. They're nice though. You can. $30. What's that one?
Huh?
That one.
$30. I don't know. Yeah, $30. Oh, here's 13. You got this one, I think.
Oh, it's got one inside of it. $30. I think I got that one. No, not that one. I don't.
Yeah, you're not underneath it.
Look at that. It's got a pretty good amount of space in the bottom of it. A third of this one. Try that red one on the bottom. Never mind, it's not gonna be big enough. I can do that from here. That's kind of looking like the best deal to me. Get two of them.
Yeah. Earl got one at the house.
Say 4-piece. How's it 4 pieces? Oh, it's got another one inside of that. Yeah. That's the one we'll go with. That's the one we'll go with.
the spades right here, the biggest thing we have. That's for clay, really. Yeah, so, yep.
Yeah, I'm looking into a router.
Oh, yeah.
That's a plunge router.
Yeah. There's also Ace. There's also Ranger.
Plater and a router.
Got it. How about Ranger?
Yeah, so obviously we're at Harbor Freight again. Welder for 119. Hey, those cushion ones are expensive.
Yeah.
That phone's valuable. That phone must be valuable.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. I think we hit the jackpot on this one. All right, guys, so we're going to get checked out. Get out of here and go on about our business. So that's it for this segment. All right, so guys, we're back. It's Memorial Day. We're going to have a little fun. But we're back from Harbor Freight. This is the hall. Paid $1.69 for like with super glue. And about $6 for this basin rent. Now this basin rent, when you get under your the water faucet and have to start working under there, these things are invaluable. Trust me. It's always good to have one of those. Then we got this toolbox. Now this toolbox is 4 pieces. In other words, 4 toolboxes. So we'll show you that. It's big. There's one inside of that. And there's one more inside of that. Like that. So that's pretty much it, folks. Got the 1, 2, 3, and 4. Although it's pretty small, but it's okay. We'll put screws and whatnot in there. And for 4, it costs $29.99 plus tax, about 10%. So another $3, $33. So that's a pretty good deal here. So that's what it is. And for now, toodaloo, toodaloo. And you know what? I'm going to take a little dive.